Hello, everyone. Welcome to Ezee English. Today, we have a wonderful episode for you. We will listen to two friends, Anna and Tom, talking in a park. They talk about flowers, animals, food, family, and more. You can read along, repeat the sentences, and practice your English. Are you ready? Let's begin. Good morning, Tom.
Good morning, Anna. How are you today?
I am very good, thank you. And you?
I am great. I am very happy today. The weather is beautiful.
Yes, the sun is very bright, and the sky is very blue. I love days like this.
Me too. I do not like rainy days. I like sunny days.
Do you come to this park often?
Yes, I come here every Saturday and Sunday. I love this park. Do you?
No, this is my second time here. My friend told me about this park. She said it is very beautiful.
Your friend is right. It is one of my favorite places in the city.
I can see why. It is very big. How big is this park?
I do not know exactly, but it takes 1 hour to walk around it.
Wow, that is big. Are there many things to see here?
Yes, there are trees, flowers, a lake, a fountain, and many birds and butterflies. Sometimes there are ducks, too.
Oh, I love ducks. Are there ducks today?
I am not sure. Let's look later. First, let's walk a little.
Good idea. Oh, look at the flowers. They are so beautiful.
Yes, this park has many flowers. Do you know the names of the flowers?
Yes, a little. Those red ones are roses, and those tall ones are tulips, right?
Yes, correct. You know flowers well.
Thank you. My mother has a garden at home. She loves flowers. She has roses, tulips, lilies, and sunflowers.
Oh, that sounds lovely. I want a garden too, but my apartment is small. I have no garden.
That is too bad, but you can come here and see the flowers.
Yes, that is true. That is why I love this park. It is like my garden.
That is a nice way to think. Oh, look, a butterfly.
Where? Oh yes, I see it. It is orange and black. Very beautiful.
I love butterflies. When I was a kid, I ran after butterflies in the park.
Me too. I was very fast, but the butterflies were faster.
Yes, butterflies are very fast. Oh, there's another one. This one is blue.
Blue butterflies are my favorite. They are very special.
I agree. Blue is a beautiful color. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green. I love nature. Trees, grass, plants, everything green.
That makes sense. You love this park because it is very green.
Exactly. And you? What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is yellow. It is a happy color, like the sun.
Yes, yellow is very cheerful. Oh, I can hear birds. Listen.
Oh, yes, they are singing. It is so lovely. What kind of birds are they?
I think they are small birds. Maybe sparrows? Do you see them? They're in that tree.
Oh, yes, I see them. They are very small and brown. So cute.
I love birds. I wake up every morning and I listen to the birds outside my window.
That is so nice. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock. And you?
I wake up at 8 o'clock on weekdays, but on weekends, I wake up at 9 or 10.
I wake up early every day. I cannot sleep late.
I love sleeping late on weekends. It is my favorite thing.
I understand. Everyone is different. Oh, look at the lake. It is so calm today.
Yes, the water is very still. It looks like a mirror.
I love the lake. Sometimes I come here and just sit and look at the water. It is very relaxing.
I agree. Water is very calming. Do you swim in the lake?
No, you cannot swim here, but in summer I go to the swimming pool.
Me too. I love swimming. I swim every week in summer.
Are you a good swimmer?
Yes, I think so. I learned when I was 5 years old. And you?
I learned when I was 7. I am okay, but not very fast.
That is fine. Swimming is fun. You do not need to be fast.
True. Oh, do you want to sit by the fountain? It is just over there.
Yes, I love fountains. The sound of water is so beautiful.
I agree. Let's go.
Oh, this is perfect. The fountain is very pretty, and the bench is comfortable.
Yes, this is my favorite bench in the park. I sit here every week.
I can understand why. You can see the lake, the flowers, and the fountain from here. It is like a picture.
Yes, in spring and summer, this place is very beautiful. But in fall, it is beautiful too. The leaves change color.
Oh, yes, I love autumn leaves. Red, orange, yellow.
And in winter, sometimes there is snow. The park is very quiet and white, very magical.
Snow. I love snow. Does it snow a lot here in winter?
Not a lot, maybe 2 or 3 times, but it is very beautiful when it snows.
In my hometown, it snows a lot in winter. I miss the snow sometimes.
Where is your hometown?
My hometown is a small town in the north. It is cold in winter, very different from here.
Do you miss your hometown?
Yes, sometimes. I miss my family. My parents and my sister live there.
How often do you visit them?
I visit them 2 or 3 times a year, at Christmas, in summer, and sometimes in spring.
That is nice. Family is important. My family lives here in the city, so I see them every week.
Oh, that is great. Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother. His name is Peter. He is older than me. And you?
I have one sister. Her name is Maria. She is younger than me.
Is she similar to you?
A little. She is also friendly and funny, but she is more sporty than me. She plays tennis and basketball.
Oh, wow, that is active. Do you play sports?
Not much. I walk a lot, and sometimes I do yoga, but I am not very sporty. Do you?
Yes, I love football. I play with my friends every Sunday afternoon.
Oh, nice. Do you win?
Sometimes we are not a professional team. We just play for fun. We laugh a lot.
That sounds wonderful. Exercise and fun together?
Exactly. You should try. Do you want to join us one Sunday?
Maybe, but I am not good at football.
That is okay. Nobody is good at first. We are all friends. We do not care about winning.
That is very kind. Maybe one day. Oh, Tom, are you hungry? I have some snacks.
Oh, yes, a little. What do you have?
I have some crackers, some cookies, and some grapes. Do you want some?
Yes, please. That sounds delicious. Thank you, Anna.
You're welcome. I always bring snacks to the park. Eating outside is so nice.
I agree. Food tastes better outside. I have some water. Do you want some?
Yes, please. Thank you. These grapes are very sweet.
Yes, I like grapes, but my favorite fruit is watermelon. What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is strawberries. I love strawberries with cream.
Oh, that is delicious. In summer, I eat strawberries every day.
Me too. Summer fruits are the best. Strawberries, peaches, cherries.
Now I'm hungry for fruit.
Me too. Oh, Tom, look. Over there. Are those ducks?
Where? Oh, yes. Yes, those are ducks.
Oh, how cute. There are two big ducks and, oh, there are baby ducks too.
Yes, baby ducks. They are so small and yellow.
I love baby animals. They are so adorable. Can we go closer?
Yes, but slowly. We do not want to scare them.
Oh, they are so beautiful. Look at the mother duck. She is watching her babies.
Yes, she is a good mother. She keeps the babies close.
Animals are amazing. They love their children too.
Yes, I think so. Nature is wonderful.
Tom, this is a perfect morning. Thank you for showing me this park.
Thank you for coming with me. It is more fun with a friend.
I agree. Next time, let's bring more food and have a picnic.
Oh, I love that idea. A picnic by the lake. Perfect.
We can bring sandwiches, fruit, juice.
And cake. I make a very good chocolate cake.
Oh, really? I love chocolate cake. You must bring it.
I promise. Next Saturday, a picnic in the park.
It's a plan. I'm already excited.
Me too. Anna, it is almost 12 o'clock. Are you hungry for lunch?
Yes, a little. Do you want to get lunch together?
Yes. There is a small cafe near the park. They have very good sandwiches and soup.
That sounds perfect. Let's go.
Okay, but first, one more look at the baby ducks.
Yes, one more look. They are too cute to leave.
Okay, now let's go. Goodbye, little ducks.
Goodbye, ducks. See you next Saturday.
Come on, Anna, let's go eat.
Okay, let's go. This was a wonderful morning, Tom.
It really was. Same time next Saturday?
Absolutely. I will be here. Same bench, same fountain.
Perfect. Now let's go. I am very hungry.
Me too. Let's go to that cafe. I want a big sandwich.
Me too. Let's go.